Hawaii. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center has issued a tsunami watch for the entire state of Hawaii at 9:38 a.m. An earthquake occurred at 9:28 a.m. with a preliminary magnitude 8.0. The epicenter was located near 29.6 south latitude, 176.0 west longitude, or in the vicinity of the Chromatic Island. The tsunami watch is based on earthquake data only. It is not known at this time whether a Pacific-wide tsunami has been generated. This watch may be upgraded to a warning or advised based on updated information. Updated information will be broadcast as it becomes available. Listen to your local news media for updates and instructions from Civil Defense.